The pitfalls of bad personas, examples and lessons. Personas are a valuable tool in the field of user experience design. They help designers understand and empathize with their target users, guiding the creation of products and services that meet their needs. However, when personas are poorly developed or misused, they can lead to significant pitfalls that hinder the success of a UX strategy. In this video, we will explore the pitfalls of bad personas, providing examples and lessons to help designers avoid these common mistakes. Superficial or stereotypical personas. One of the most common pitfalls is creating personas that are superficial or based on stereotypes. For example, a persona that simply categorizes users by age, gender, and occupation without considering their goals, motivations, and behaviors is unlikely to provide meaningful insights. Designers must dig deeper and develop personas that reflect the diverse range of users' needs and preferences. By understanding the nuances of their target audience, designers can create more relevant and effective user experiences. Lesson: conduct thorough user research to gather insights about users' goals, motivations, and behaviors. Use this information to create personas that go beyond surface-level demographics and capture the essence of your target audience. Neglecting user validation. Another pitfall is neglecting to validate personas with real users. Designers may create personas based on assumptions or limited information, leading to inaccurate representations of the target audience. Without validation, designers risk designing for imaginary users rather than real ones. User validation is crucial to ensure that personas accurately reflect the needs, behaviors, and preferences of the target audience. Lesson: validate personas through user interviews, surveys, or usability testing. Gather feedback from real users to refine and validate the personas, ensuring they accurately represent the target audience. Overgeneralization. Overgeneralization occurs when personas are created based on a few representative users, ignoring the diversity within the target audience. For example, assuming that all users in a particular age group or occupation have the same needs and preferences can lead to design decisions that overlook important variations. Designers must recognize and account for the individual differences and unique characteristics of their users. Lesson: create personas that reflect the diversity within the target audience. Consider factors such as user goals, preferences, technological proficiency, and cultural background to capture the full range of user needs and behaviors. Static personas. Personas should not be treated as static entities. Users' needs, behaviors, and preferences evolve over time, and personas should reflect these changes. Failing to update personas can result in outdated and irrelevant design decisions. Designers must regularly revisit and update personas to ensure they remain accurate and useful throughout the design process. Lesson: continuously update and refine personas based on new user insights and changing user behaviors. Regularly review and revise personas to align with the evolving needs and preferences of the target audience. Ignoring negative personas. Negative personas represent users who are not part of the target audience or whose needs and behaviors are incompatible with the product or service. Ignoring negative personas can lead to design decisions that try to cater to everyone, resulting in a diluted user experience. Designers must identify and acknowledge negative personas to focus their efforts on creating a more targeted and effective user experience. Lesson: identify negative personas and clearly define their characteristics and needs. Use negative personas to guide design decisions and ensure that the product or service is tailored to the intended target audience. Personas are a powerful tool in UX design when used correctly. However, designers must be aware of the pitfalls associated with bad personas. By avoiding superficial or stereotypical personas, validating personas with real users, avoiding overgeneralization, keeping personas dynamic, and considering negative personas, designers can create more effective and user-centered experiences. By understanding the potential pitfalls and applying the lessons learned, designers can harness the true power of personas to drive successful UX strategies.